Today we will show you how to replace the compression assembly. We are going to start by removing the old chest plate. Next, turn the mannequin over and pop off the wire cover using a flat edge screwdriver. If you're using a monitored mannequin, disconnect the clicker from the monitor. Pop out the clicker. Remove the small spring and piston sleeve. With the new assembly, insert the small spring into the piston sleeve. Insert both into the mannequin, ensuring the spring is facing out and the slots are aligned. Snap the new clicker into place, reconnect the wires, and replace the wire cover. Turn the mannequin back over. Align the new chest plate with the xiphoid process guide facing the bottom of the mannequin. For best results, compress and hold down the chest while tightening the screw. A cordless screwdriver is helpful for this. Just close the cover and you're ready to go.